Welcome to my YouTube channel, Beauty Girls Crack. How are you, friends? I hope all of you are fine and fit. Today I'm here to show you very trendy, gorgeous, stunning, and stylish pixie haircut ideas. These hairstyles are ideal for summer season. If you're an office woman or a business girl, then these ideas will help you a lot to look different and gorgeous. You will get amazing ideas for haircuts and haircut as well. You can choose hairstyle according to your personality and according to your choice, and you can visit salon to style your hairs with different hair shades or hair colors and with different unique haircuts, which I will show you in this video. So watch this video till the end so you can get amazing ideas from this video. Styling short haircuts offers versatility and a chance to express personal flair. Here are some tips for styling your short haircuts. Firstly, the first tip is texture and layers. You need to embrace the natural texture of your hair. And the second tip is that you have to consider adding layers for a movement and dimension. And second tip is the pixie cut. Use styling products for a messy textured look and tussle the hair with your fingers for a casual vibe. Bob cut. Curl the ends inward or outward for variety, and straighten for a sleek and polished appearance. And another short hair cut idea is the bangs. Style bangs according to your face shape, swept to the side, blunt or textured. Use around